Here we go, focus on me.
So I press the button like I'm going to take a picture?
There, now it's recording.
Oh,
Should I keep
Jesus.
it on? Oh, he never says that.
He didn't say a lot of things.
I know, but he usually doesn't say that. Do I have to keep holding it down?
Yeah, just press it and leave it.
This is way beyond this because it didn't start recording right away. It was busy. And you're well beyond 30 seconds on that cube. That's what I never had anybody in here doing.
I can't freaking see straight. The problem. The focus thing is not working right now. I can't focus. Oh my god. No, leave the light on. Leave the light.
It bother everybody else. Good.
No, if I let it go, it's...
Let it go.
Oh my god. Okay, first cube solved one.
He wanted to solve his Rubik's Cube.
Completely high.
He
Say
went
hi
way
everybody.
past 30 seconds it usually takes him to do it. It was like a minute and a half. Because he couldn't see.